Are you planning to go to party tonight? Let's sleep. Later that I'll sleep. I need 3 star tonight before I sleep. Just 3 star. I need 500. No, 600. Naruto, Kuya Naruto. Shoutout, Kuya. SGIP. Sino si Kati? Ano yung name niya? Kati. Lapag mo ID number. Titingnan ko if magkamukha talaga kami. Kati. Lapag mo ID number niya ni Orbes. Titingnan ko kung kamukha ko talaga. Siya. Sige, wait. Sige, go. Nasaan yan siya? Yes. Sus, nakakulit. Anong name niya? Wait lang. Tingnan ko. Anong name niya? Kambal. Wait, saglit lang. Hindi yung ID number niya. ID number niya. Ano yung ID number niya? ID lang yung ID. Nag-live siya ngayon. ID number, wag yung ano. Sorry. Anong beans? I don't understand. I'm so sleepy. Hindi yung ID number niya. Bakit beans? Lay. Okay. Saglit lang. Let me see. Dalawang Y08. Okay. Wala, gamit ang bala ko. Pangina mo. Kati nga. May anak na ba to? Same kami anak. Oo, kamukha ko siya. Taga saan to siya? Hala, oo nga. Kamukha ko siya. Oh, grabe ka naman. O diba, sabi ng kapatid ko, oo nga. Okay, daddy. Ikaw, wala. Yes, I don't have. Tingnan mo siya. Paano mo nalaman? Siguro nag-avail ka sa kanya. Wala akong masay. Ganda niya. Mamba! Good evening! You're here. How are you, Mamba? Mamba is here. He's very strong. Hello, how you been? How you been? I'm not Mamba, you know Mamba. I'm not, thank you, Cherry. I'm not going to Dolon. Oh my god! Daddy, you surprised me, huh? Thank you. Thanks, Daddy. That's why you said you'll be back. Mamba, I'm not going to do laundry tonight. I'm just here do my life. Thank you, Daddy. You're so generous. Kind as always. I thought you're about to jump into your. Thanks, Mamba. Mamba sent summer. Ay, no, kiss me. He sent kiss me last time. Thank you, Mamba. Daddy, I thought you're about to jump on your friends in Biko. I must be crazy now. Manny, hello. Thank you, Daddy. Hi, Manny. Where you from? Mamba, I hope you give me kiss me again tonight. You're so generous, I know that. Karaoke cannot be done. Denny, shout out. I hate my arms. It's full of hair. How you been, Mamba? Wala na si Mamba. I think he's about to recharge. Charis! I have been to... Jerome. Maybe I dream too much. Okay. Ay, dula boy. Baby boss, hello. My mom text me. Wait. May ano kasi, Daddy, my camera is not okay. I must buy new ring light in my salary. I'm gonna show you, ha. Look at that. I'm gonna show you what my ring light looks. Only the other side has light. This side don't have a light. Shigaru. Hi, Rick. Goku, shout out. Magic. No magic. No magic. Hello. Aslan, hello. There's a penalty PK, but I can't. Daddy, look at your I send the photo of my ring light. Anime, hello. How are you? Big boss, hello. Where are you going, Daddy? Okay, Daddy. Look at your miss. I will message you. See. Okay, Daddy, can. Hey, yeah, shut up, be. I don't take phone. You shouldn't. But what's this? What's this? Ba't ako guys, hindi ako nakakapag-poop if ano, wala akong dalang cellphone. Wait lang, wait. Hanggang tingin. Ano ba?